5 minutes after 2, and they're ready for the highball.
Well, welcome aboard, everyone. You're hopelessly trapped now. Enjoy your trip. We're going to be there right off.
How you like my watch, Wade?
It's about 5 after.
Video 10. Probably a full hour at the boardwalk. A couple of rolls on the road. There's no smoking at any time of our train. Appreciate you not doing that. You're free to move between the cars. Simply ask that you don't ride on the bridges between the cars or stand at the end of the closed cars. Other than that, you got the run of the train. Well, one last word of caution. You've got little guys and they want to travel with them. And especially don't let them bring you up and grab branches. Branches, a lot of it is poison oak. You don't need that in your life. Some of you are probably just finished taking a stroll through there. Those of you just starting a round trip, save some energy for when you get back. These are the world's tallest type of tree. The single tallest tree in the world right now is the Hyperion Giant. It's north of here, about 300 miles of Redwood State Park, but it's always a secret. They never disclose where it is for fear that somebody's going to carve its name. 380 feet. Now, the Statue of Liberty, including the base, is 315 feet. That's a very tall tree. Trees to the right are old-growth trees, only 5%. This type of tree has been on planet Earth for 1,000,000 centuries. Very old type of plant. Individual trees, the coast redwoods, Sequoia sempervirens, live, well, if they get to 2,000 years, that's pretty amazing. There are trees, however, in the grove there to the right of us that were around before the birth of Christ, that were around before people figured out how to make paper. Take a good look at these trees, because as soon as we cross the river, the trees are going to get a little bit smaller, but not too small. The rest of the canyon was logged off about 120 years ago, but 120 years of growth on a coast redwood is very substantial. They get most of their height in the first 100 years of life. We're going to be crossing the river on the 1909 bridge. If you're in an outside car, you can see the date cut right through the top. Actually, it's two bridges stuck together. Replace an old wooden trestle dating back to 1875. This river is the Santa Cruz. It's getting kind of low, but it's going where you are going. It's going to continue to the Pacific Ocean, right? So if you walk down past the cave tree, you look over, you'll see the river now. It's a very popular surfing spot. Using a 2600 engine today. Continue on video 10. Heading back to Santa Cruz. Coming into Felton, Maine. We're at Felton Junction, narrow gauge main line.
We still got only 4 cars with us today with the engine. In the video 10 on Friday, August 5th, 2022.